How to unban Frag Pro Shooter account. Welcome, gamers. We've all been there, playing our favorite game Frag Pro Shooter, and then suddenly we're hit with the dreaded ban. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate your way back to the battlefield. Frag Pro Shooter is not just a game, it's a community. And just like any community, there are rules to ensure fair play. Sometimes, we might unintentionally violate these rules and find our account banned. Being banned could be a result of hacking, cheating, or using inappropriate language. If you're certain that your ban was a mistake, the first step in getting your account back is understanding why you were banned. Frag Pro Shooter's Terms of Service is your guide. It outlines all the rules that you need to adhere to while playing. If you're not sure why you were banned, this document will give you a good idea. Next, you need to reach out to Frag Pro Shooter's customer support. You can find this option in the game itself. Make sure to be polite and explain your situation clearly. Provide all relevant information, such as your username, the date you noticed the ban, and any other details you think might help. Remember, the customer support team is there to assist you, so providing comprehensive information will make their job easier. Patience is key during this process. It might take some time for the team to review your case. Remember to remain respectful and understanding. Lashing out won't help your case. Once you've submitted your appeal, keep an eye on your email. The support team will reach out to you with their decision. This could take a few days, so don't panic if you don't hear back immediately. If your appeal is successful, congratulations. You're back in the game. If not, don't lose hope. You can always start a new account, and this time, make sure to play by the rules. Remember, Frag Pro Shooter aims to create a fun and fair environment for all players. By following the community guidelines and playing responsibly, you can avoid future bans. Enjoy your time in Frag Pro Shooter, and remember, it's all about fun and fair play. I hope this guide helps you get back to enjoying your game. Until next time, happy gaming!